Hi guys, this is John here. And in this section, we will see that to start a company, you need to build a team. And again, as I said, that it's not compulsory for you to build a team. If you are confident that you can do it alone, then go for it. However, if you want to build a team, then it's always a good idea to have a group of 2 to 3 members where you guys together will start a company which you've already named. So let us say I am John and I have 2 more friends, Ganesh and Sukrut. Now, these are friends of mine. Now, I talk to Ganesh and Sukrut and I tell them, you know what, I'm thinking of starting a company. In this case, just to say Eduvance. Would you like to join me? So they would say, sure, John, I'm interested. So in that case, we would start Eduvance, and let us say that Eduvance has 100 shares. So Ganesh will ask me saying that, hey John, how many shares of Eduvance do I get? Similarly, Sukrut will ask, hey John, how many shares of Eduvance do I get? So for me to give Ganesh and Sukrut an answer, there are a few scenarios. And again, as I said that there are no right answers, it all depends on the situation. So when you start your company and you are talking to your friends, you have to assume that. So here, let's assume that John, that is me, Ganesh and Sukrut, all of us put equal amounts of money to start Eduvance. In that case, we will get all 3 shares equally. So each one of us would get equal shares, which is 33.3%, 33.3%, 33.3%. Now suppose if John puts more money to start the company versus Ganesh and Sukrut, so John would get more number of shares. So whenever you're starting a company with your friends, it's always good to have a discussion. You need to have a serious discussion with them. And if you guys are starting together and you have no money and you said, you know what, let's just go ahead and start, then the best solution is to go equal. Okay, guys? So we also call shares in the company as a stake, saying how much stake do you have in the company, and it is also called as equity. So if you hear any of these 3 terms, please understand as the shares in the company. Okay guys, so as part of the Entrepreneurship platform, since you have started this company, you have the option of inviting somebody to go on this journey with you and just put in their names, and you can decide how much stake or equity you want to give them or share. And I'm assuming you've already had this discussion with them. If not, just pick up the phone and call them and saying, hey, you know what, I'm starting this company. Do you want to join me? And you guys can discuss how much share to give each other. But remember, there's only 100% available and you have to divide that. Okay, guys? So I hope this is clear for you guys. I'll see you guys in the next section. Thank you.